Look at this clip. Center back attempt long ball to winger. Now see, winger is underloaded by two opponent players. There is no spot for him on the flank and no spot in the center. Right back push ahead to spot him and eventually he lose the ball. But if we take general scenario, one of the center forward should be in half space to spot him. One midfielder should be in this area and right back should instantly join him after receiving the ball. Again in this clip, opponent rotates the ball around and opponent center forward moves out wide to spot the winger, unlike in case of Jamshedpur. Now see, Jamshedpur center back tracing him by leaving big space behind. Bumos flicked the ball in that space for Raheen and they almost scored. I showed you two type of player movement and in both, Jamshedpur was on the back foot. This was a roller coaster of a season for Jamshedpur FC. They finished 5th in ISL by scoring 38 points in 24 matches. After a stunning first leg win, they got knocked out in second leg by Mohun Bagan. So let's see what tactical principles Khalid Jamil used and what are the reasons for the trophyless season. Jamshedpur used 4-4-2 formation. They did not have much of possession as they ranked second last in the league in terms of average possession. There is no specific build-up pattern Jamshedpur used. If opponent did not press high, they easily moved to mid-block, and if opponent press high, then the goalkeeper simply attempt long ball to forwards and Jamshedpur tries to win the second ball to carry out the attack. In mid-block, one fullback push high up the pitch to support in attacking, another fullback stay at his normal position to help in moving the ball around. For example, in this clip, center back have the ball and the left back is ahead of his position, while right back is with center backs to rotate the ball. But here, both left back and left winger are in a line. Instead, one of them should be inside and other should be on the flank. This will make opponent defense line narrow, otherwise winger can receive the ball in the center and this will create a space on the flank for the long switch. But here, it is not the case. Jamshedpur used the flank area to move the ball forward and rely on crosses to create goal scoring chances. But there is a problem which affects their attacking output, and that is relative positioning of players. This is the thing I talked about in starting of this video. When a player have the ball, the positioning of his teammates around him to provide a passing option and to create a link up is too bad. Jamshedpur players often got isolated by opponents, resulting in losing the possession. One of their other weapon is long throw. Defenders like Aji is a real threat when they get the throw around the opponent box. They are ranked 3rd in shot attempted per 90, but their efficiency is very poor, showing their attacking quality. For example, in this clip, Jamshedpur having a great breakout with 5 players in attack, but a silly pass from Havi floored the attack and opponent defenders take their position into the box to defend any cross. If the pass was given in the right space, then the winger should have delivered an early cross and the opponent defenders can't block that. This was the summary of failures where Jamshedpur was having the ball. Now let's see how defensive actions of Jamshedpur are the main reason for their bad results. If I have to describe defending of Jamshedpur in one word, that's terrible. Jamshedpur did not press high, so opponent easily moved to mid-block. In mid-block, Jamshedpur defend with the same 4-4-2 shape. First of all, they did not press using trigger and traps. Teams either block center and force opponent out wide, or they force opponent in the center and instantly press them to win the ball. But Jamshedpur does not have a proper pressing system. Their forwards seem relaxed while pressing opponent defenders, and Jamshedpur defenders, especially Ajay, is over-aggressive in pressing. He often track opponent center forward aggressively, leaving big space behind, and opponent exploit this space to punish them. In other case, opponent center forward receives the ball easily and pass it to winger to continue the attack. These are their main defensive failures. For example, in this clip, opponent having the ball and opponent center forward drop down to receive the ball, withdrawing Jamshedpur center back AJ, and Bumos receives the ball in space to start the attack. Again here, opponent center back having the ball and opponent center forward drops to receive the ball. Now see the positioning of Ajay. Even though there are midfielders in front of him to mark opponent players, and still he is out of his position, leaving a big space behind. If only Rahim was onside, it was another defensive mistake from Jamshedpur. Again, see the perfect example of this mistake. Ajay is over pressing, Rahim exploited the space behind and almost scored. Again in this clip, see how easily opponent centre forward receives the ball, turn and pass it to winger, which lead to a great chance. In addition to this, after losing the ball in final third, Jamshedpur also fails to stop the counter-attack. I think they don't even use the Jitin pressing so that they can stop the counter-attack in opponent half. As a result, opponents break through easily and Jamshedpur struggle in defending. For example, in this clip, opponent win the ball in defending and about to start the counter-attack. These three Jamshedpur players are standing here and watching it instead of blocking the passing options. Opponent forward receive the ball and now they realize they have to defend. Again here, Jamshedpur defenders are far behind, leaving this space. Jamshedpur lose the ball in final third and opponent starts the counter-attack, which lead to a goal. If the defenders should have been around the opponent box, then they can press the opponents immediately to win the common ball and can possibly lead to another chance. But giving too much space to opponents is just inviting them to score. Jamshedpur have no control over the transitions. They failed in both attacking and defensive transitions. Whenever they win the ball in defending, their centre forward fails to hold the ball so that players can join him to start the attack. Overall, it was a great run for Jamshedpur up to the semi-finals. They need to adapt to a play style so that they can play with the proper roles and game plan. So what do you think about it? Comment below. Leave a like, subscribe and thanks for the watching.